Unlock savings and smiles. Discover our top 5 coupon books templates and create the perfect gift in no time. Number 5. Ignite romance with our Valentine's Day coupon book. Soft pinks, reds, and creative date ideas make this a charming pocket-sized gift. Coming in at number 4. Our babysitting coupon book. Cute designs and essential fields make it a must for parents and sitters. Taking the 3rd spot. A versatile any occasion coupon book. Easy editing and playful design for that perfect personal touch. Runner-up. Elevate your gifts or business promos with our clean, professional coupon book. Fully editable and modern. And our top pick. The gift coupon book. Festive, multi-designs, and DIY friendly. Perfect for last-minute magic. Grab these templates for free at thegoodox.com. Check the links in the description and start gifting today.